So I'm on my way right now to go get a rotary saw from Lowe's because I'm going to modify the t-outliner. I'm gonna go get the little Dremel thing and little saw bits and whatnot, so then I can start giving myself proper lineups. But usually I just warm my hair down, especially since it's been cold out lately. I'm back home. Got it. They had it in there, didn't they? There we go. I've seen Dremel before. I haven't actually used one, but these are cool right here. Oh, it's a little bit. Look at that. I don't think I did that. I'm gonna read the instructions and figure it out, and then I'll get back to y'all after I'm more cut up with knowing how to use a Dremel. Alright. So it seems pretty self-explanatory. I got my clippers here. I got my rotary saw here. They say cut right above this little lip. So right above that lip, and just follow that all the way around. Wear safety goggles. I'm trying to find some. Just gonna follow the line. I know it's a bit much, but so I kind of just traced a line around where I'm going to do the deep cut at. Definitely do not wear sunglasses. That was a joke that I learned the hard way. Find safety glasses. I've cut most of it around. See, pretty much like this piece already moves a little bit. It's pretty hard plastic. And I'm working on this piece right here. So I'm gonna do this last piece on camera. And safety goggles on. That part just falls off, I guess. Shimmy that piece out. And then polish this up off camera real quick. And I polished it up. I just used a grinder or a sander on it, or a sand bit. Just sanded it down a little bit to kind of clean it up so it wasn't so jagged on the sides. But yeah, that's it modified now. That way when I can cut my hair, I'll be able to see a little bit better in where I'm cutting it. So I'm gonna try this out and I'll let you know what I think of it.